Just a quick compatibility video. This is foot shifter for a 250L from FG Racing. Got it off of Amazon. Wasn't that expensive. I'm not putting links in the descriptions anymore because nobody wants to pay you for links anymore. Yes, you will have to take the chain cover off so you can get the screw out for the shifter. And yes, it does have a real thin case saver in it, but I would say that that's probably not something I would want to keep on there long term as the chain starts to wear out and get stretched. Here is the side-by-side comparison right here. You have a little bit of, you get a little bit of extra room out here. I added this from an old shifter boot. I just cut it in half just so it wouldn't tear up my boot so much. So I'll probably transfer this over, give myself a little bit of cushion to keep it from tearing up my tennis shoes. And also, whenever you put a shifter on, you do have a little bit of left and right movement here. Make sure you have enough clearance to where if you did lay the bike sideways, that the shifter isn't past your guard. I would suggest getting a guard. That'll save your shifter too. But make sure the flat part, so whenever this folds over, it's at least gonna hit your skid plate and save your shifter. And if you really want to make someone's day, take your takeoff shifters and pegs and parts like that, throw them in a bag and take them with you to your outdoor park. You could probably even pay for the whole day, because someone will eventually break a shifter and will need it. So take it with you, and maybe you'll help someone's day out by having a part. And that is what it looks like all put back together. I really like the quality. It feels nice and sturdy. And that's it. It's about a 5-10 minute job and you're done. Thank you for those who have joined and subscribed to the Swamp Fox family. If you can give me a thumbs up, comment in the description, I'd really appreciate it. Please look for the links in the description. Become a Patreon member if you want to support the channel.